that you can use to relate it to the situation near curve. And that thing is a straight line. So when you have a curve like this, for you to know whether the curve is increasing, decreasing, or stationary, it means you must understand the tangent. Yeah, the line that is a tangent to the curve. Now remember, tangent is a line that touches your curve exactly on one point. Sharp. Now, another turning point. So we have our axis of symmetry here. So graph here you guys do science, a lot of you. When you take a stone and you throw it up, when you throw a stone up, before it comes back, it reaches maximum height. Now at the maximum height, the velocity is 0, meaning it is stationary. So you throw your stone up, it decreases, the velocity of the stone decreases because of the force of gravity. Yes, so you decelerator in a way. It's still going up, but it's decelerating. So I'm counting. And then as no reach above yes, stop, and that's why we say you have reached your maximum height, and then it turns and comes back. So there, at the turning point, the velocity of the stone is 0, meaning it is stationary. Now, in that way, we have the same thing here. For us to know whether the curve is decreasing or increasing, we look at the tangent, at the gradient of a tangent to the curve. I'm preparing you for calculus, and I'm making things easy for you for calculus. You look at what? At the gradient of a tangent to the curve. Gradient of a tangent to the curve. Meaning, I can level curve, can level line, a touching curve exactly on one point. Am I making sense? Yes. So for me to know whether my curve is increasing or not, can see a ruler. Can I have a ruler? Can see a ruler? Can be a solid curve? Yeah, how the ruler behaves tells me what's happening to the curve. Am I making sense? So if my ruler is like this, the ruler is increasing because of the shape. So since this tangent is increasing, it means the curve is increasing. If I put it like this, the gradient of this ruler is negative. So therefore, the curve is decreasing. Am I making sense? Now when I put it like this, what is the gradient? What is the gradient? 0. What is the gradient? 0. So it means the curve is stationary. We answer the gradient so we can decide on what is happening on the curve. So if the gradient is 0, then the curve is stationary. So when the question comes, now if my axis of symmetry is 3, and then it's 3, then but for which values of x, that's how they will ask us, for which values of x will f decrease? Why now? Why not say ruler how we are so? Then on your question paper, just put the ruler like this. And then you realize, okay, your m is negative. Then understand you have negative up until somewhere here. Just close it to 3, but not the 3. So it means where x is less than 3. That's where the graph will decrease. 2, when will the graph increase? Just above 3. So when x is greater than 3. Okay, what about stationary? Exactly what? 3. X is that's how you answer. That's how we do decreasing, increasing, and stationary. Len gata curve eso.